Hello friend, welcome to my channel App Skill with Dharmendra. So friend, today I will let you know very interesting thing, how to install UiPath Community Edition. So for UiPath there are two types of installation is available. One is Community Edition and one is Enterprise Edition. So Community Edition we can install and we can do testing, practice, all we can do on Community Edition. And for enterprise edition, that is used for like corporate and IT organization. They use community to uh, to to automate their manual task. Okay, so how this will be done, I will let you know. So once you will search with UiPath Community Edition download, then you will see these are the search results. Okay, so and you will see how these tools for enterprise, tools for community. So let me click on this UiPath Studio Community Edition. So you will see the search is going on. I will let you know step by step how to install UiPath in your system. So you will see this is the page appear. Now when you will go below, I have registered at UiPath to download. However, all these issues they have mentioned. Now somewhere here is mentioned to go to cloud, and then so now if suppose I am clicking download studio, so it's saying I have already have an account. When I click this, okay, so see download happens and it goes to my folder. Just 1 minute, I will let you know. See one package was already installed and the second package got installed. I will let you know. So see it is now installing faster, and there are other screen where it is showing percentage of download. Okay, yeah, I think 99% installation is done. So let it get downloaded. And this is a UiPath kind of a cloud setup where you from there also you can download. And what are the other things? Download a studio, create new forum. Yeah, so see, as my already forum was created, so your email address has been authenticated. Username is authenticated. I confirm, I agree. Name will be this because this is my channel name. So I created this. I have installed this community version with my channel name only on my official email ID. Now when I will click on create new forum account, let's see what it will do. Somewhere I have seen where it yeah, see, you can